welcome to episode 1. Or episode 1 is tomorrow, sorry. But I just have to let you know, I'm going to do a new series called Ultra Hardcore, so you don't regen health. So, yeah, that'll be on my new series tomorrow. I have a hardcore series going, and I have a season 8 going, and season 7 it'll be Ultra Hardcore. So I'll have 4 seasons going. I told you I was going to do something fun tomorrow in Ultra Hardcore, so. Alright, more fun things are going to happen soon. After all the series is done. Talk to you later.